Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Garageband and selecting a live loops template or a blank grid so you can work fast. Next, connect your audio or MIDI device and set input levels. Make sure signals don't clip. Then create or drag in one-shot loops into individual cells and label tracks for easy identification. Once done, arm the track for recording and set the grid quantize to 1/4 or 1/8 so clips lock in rhythm. This prevents timing drift as you build ideas. Now you edit and layer, trim clip edges, enable time stretch, and adjust gain so each cell sits well in the mix. Record additional parts by arming tracks and hitting record. You can overdub MIDI or audio into empty cells for live layering. Once clips are ready, create scenes to launch multiple cells together and use effects or bus sends to glue the sound. Reverb on a send keeps clarity. Make sure to save versions frequently so you can revert if a change doesn't work. To finish, perform your set and record scene launches into the tracks view so you have a linear song to mix. Then balance levels, automate filters or EQ for movement, and export stems or a master file when satisfied. If performance glitches or audio dropouts occur, check and increase your audio buffer size, update audio drivers, and consider freezing or bouncing CPU-heavy instruments. This frees resources without changing arrangements. Finally, test the exported mix on different speakers to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.